Hey guys, welcome back to Kryptonite, because I believe that cryptocurrency is the kryptonite of our modern financial system, and I love it. Guys, I have some big news on some people buying Bitcoin, specifically some other cryptos buying Bitcoin, and I'm gonna do some Bitcoin technical analysis. Now, hopefully you watched my last video, because in it, I talked about I did a short trade from 48K to 46K and won that trade. So I've accurately predicted the 46 number. So you're gonna wanna see what my TA is for our upcoming trade. We'll see if I get in one. Guys, let's get right into the charts. All right, guys, let's take a look at the charts here. Now, I know I've got a lot going on, but I'm gonna explain it all. As you can see right now, we're sitting at about $45,800. So a couple things to note here. One, we came up and we hit the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame. And it's no surprise this happens quite often. If you look at all these other lines too, you can tell there's a lot of resistance in this area. Combine that with the 200-day moving average, and look, it is perfect pinpoint how we touch that line and we're coming back down. So the question is, what is going to happen next? Well, as you can see, like I talked about in my last video, we are in an ascending triangle. We have ascending support and we have resistance that is at the same level. It's not declining or going up. It's staying very consistent. We finally broke that mold here. We broke up out of it, and now we're coming back to retest what was once resistance is now being retested as support. Now, I'm a bit pessimistic here. I didn't think the breakout was super convincing. So what I'll be doing is I'll be waiting to see what kind of candle formation happens here in the next couple of days. If we get a nice candle formation right here on the very top of this triangle, then I will feel confident putting in a long trade, assuming that we have just basically retested the top of the triangle as support, which is pretty standard practice. Now, however, there's a possibility that this was a fake out and that we're going to go back into the triangle, thus coming all the way back down and probably retesting the upward sloping support right around 41, 42K, depending how long it takes to get there before continuing the triangle. And then Bitcoin will make its decision. I think this is the more likely scenario, or at the very least, I think we'll come down back to at least the golden pocket, the 618 at about 45 before maybe, because you can see we have still a lot of resistance even in the 45 area as well. So you can honestly say that's maybe even stronger support. So I think for sure we're coming probably back down to 45K, retesting, and then maybe going up again, or we're breaking back in this triangle. I'm going to wait and see what candle formation happens here at this support level, either at 48 where it's at now, or all the way down at 45. I'm going to be waiting to see what candle formations go on. So I'm in a holding pattern as of now, but I will be looking to enter the market very shortly. Now, as far as the news on Bitcoin, you've probably already heard about this. It's a little bit of old news, but it's so important. Terra Luna, Do Kwon, the founder of Terra Luna, which I have a large holding of, I bought back at 36 and I bought again at 80, is planning on buying $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. And they've already bought, I think, millions already. So this is huge. This UST, which I'm not going to go into on this video, is a decentralized stablecoin that a lot of people are using on the Terra network, and this adds so much value to the Terra Luna network and what they're trying to do. So I won't get too into that. Again, this is one of my larger holdings is Terra Luna, but that's for another day. So that is your Bitcoin news of the day. More and more people and companies and even crypto projects are buying their Bitcoin, so make sure you are stacking some stats. And as always, grow your money, save your money. Kryptonite out.